Studio 309 is a complete media solutions group providing services in production house, creative branding, event management, corporate merchandising, celebrity management and public relations. Our strength lies in our in-house equipment, 24/7 operations, in-house talent pool, strategic partnership, access to freelancers and superb networking. Studio 309 was established in 2004 by Ruby Singh as a post-production studio. Our initial clientele included organizations like CNN-IBN, agencies like O&M, Mudra and Low Lintas. We achieved our first milestone in 2005 when our documentary Incredible India That Is Bharat got screened in film festivals in Toronto and New York. In 2006, we got hired to design and animate the prestigious plan for redevelopment of Connaught Place. In 2007, we implemented the widely acclaimed 5 Minute Mein Loan Paya campaign for Muthoot Finance, and we launched ourselves as a complete media solutions by delegating audio SFX to Humming Studios and post-production to Edit Junction VFX. In 2008, we signed Ishant Sharma, the new cricketing sensation, for exclusive brand endorsement and also managed the launch of Hummer mobile phones by Fly in Mumbai. Our next step towards success was to cast over 60 cricketers for feature film Victory and coordinate its shoot in Sri Lanka, South Africa, UK and UAE. In 2009, we produced the Fly Attitude TVC and also produced and directed the photo shoot of Fly mobile phones with renowned photographer Atul Kasbekar. Also in October 2009, we designed and animated the transport plan for DTC for the 2010 Commonwealth Games. Studio 309, where sky is not the limit, it's an opportunity. Our team strikes the precise balance between experience and youth, wherein the benefits from the experiences of industry icons in their respective field are multiplied by the new creative idea and zeal of the youthful newcomers. We strive to deliver the best to suit all budgets and a little extra for that smile on your face. Our client list says it all. International service standards in local flavors is what we deliver. Through our relationships with suppliers and independent contractors across the globe, we act as a producer or a line producer, providing a spectrum of production services. In short, we take care of everything related to film, television, and still photography. We create new emotions for brands with our passion by distilling their brand identity to its primal message. Each project for us is a journey from a blank sheet of paper to renewal or continuous growth. Insightful, fluent design, compelling concepts, and intellectual propositions resulting from evidence-based methodologies are our tangible and measurable contributions to the brands. Our deciphering of the brand's DNA produces a synergy of results: fluid, flawless, factual. We handle organizational functions such as media, community, consumers, industry, and governmental relations. We have over the years handled political campaigns, interest group representations, conflict mediations, and investor relations. We go beyond telling the organization's story. We understand the attitude and concerns of a society and maintain a cooperative relationship with them and with the representatives from the print and broadcast journalism. Our in-house facilities cater to the needs of almost all top print and TV journalists. This has over the years matured our relationship with the media into that of mutual understanding and respect. At Studio 309, we strive to be creative and reliable, coming up with innovative concepts and out-of-this-world ideas to make every event a milestone both for ourselves and for the industry. We treat each event as a custom project irrespective of the size or budget and devote 100% of our passion and dedication to it. Our concept creativity, unique strategies and innovative techniques help us deliver each event with all sophistication and sensibilities attached with the client without failing to highlight the quintessential element of fun. We are proactive while pairing celebrities, brands, and commercial entities. We work closely with our celebrities, media groups, corporations, and agencies to optimize benefits for all involved. Our research and grooming results in maximizing the market impact for every endorsement, resulting in efficient long-term relationships. We also provide consultancy to our clients for utility, media relations, and image development during contract duration. We develop corporate brand identities and presence by providing innovative and affordable web solutions and interactive media presentations that enable you to achieve your online objectives. We have expertise and experience to get the attention your business deserves. Our corporate structure has been designed to provide 360-degree solutions for all your needs, all the while maintaining the expertise associated with a specialized unit. Each of our unit is headed by a master of their respective trade and is designed to provide you with that Studio 309 ingenuity required in this post-recession economy. Every point of contact builds a brand. As brand stewards, we combine local know-how with a worldwide network to leverage the brands of our multinational clients. We create powerful campaigns that address local market needs while reinforcing the same universal brand identity. The hallmark of our brand building capabilities is our balance of global and local brands. Our local clients keep us in tune with local market nuances, which is critical for success of our multinational accounts. At Studio 309, we promise to deliver the best to suit all budgets and just a little more for that smile on your face.